Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the automatic hyperlinking in Google Docs. So basically, when you paste any link on your document and then you press enter, it would automatically turn into a clickable link like this. So some people find it useful, but others might not like this feature. But there are a few ways you can remove this auto hyperlinking feature in the document. So let me remove this link first. The first thing you can do is by removing or disabling the auto linking feature by going to the tools menu, preferences, and then here that the automatic detect links, you can uncheck it and click OK. When I copy this link again and then paste it to my document, and when I press enter, it will stay as a regular text. It's not going to be a clickable link. But there is also another type of hyperlinking, or the link that usually appears in the paragraph that you copy, and then that link still appears on the document when you are pasting it. One example is when you copy some element or some content from Wikipedia like this. So when I click copy, when I paste it, you can see that all the links are still here. So that's basically formatting. That's the style that being carried from the web page, from the source to your document. If you don't want it to happen, then you have to use the paste without formatting feature. Just right click on it and click paste without formatting, or you can also use this keyboard shortcut. And there you go. Now the content has been imported but without the links. So that's basically the two ways you can try to remove the auto hyperlink in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.